Hey guys, so let's do my makeup. I've already done my eyebrow. I'm going to start off by applying my moisturizer. You want to make sure that you prep your skin. The next step is applying our primer. I'm just going to spread it like so. I'll go in with my foundation just like so. Make sure that you damp your beauty blender, and then I'll just start tapping in the product. I'm not going to spread. Okay, you tap the product just like so. Don't spread it, you just tap. Okay, you tap the product into your skin just like so. Okay, I'm just concentrating first on one part of my face. Tap in the product. Whatever product that is left on the beauty blender, we are going to apply it on our forehead. Okay, so now that we are done with applying our foundation, I'm going to be using this powder palette from Zickel. I'm going to contour my face. So you're going to use a shade that is 2 times darker than your skin tone. So for contouring, you want to contour around your hairline, below your cheekbones, and on to your jawline. You want to drag the product onto your hairline. You want to do like a backward motion. Let's highlight our face. So the next thing I'm going to use is this color corrector. This is what we're going to be using for blush. Going to tap it in. So this is what we're going to use to highlight the areas that we had applied concealer. So you want to tap that in, and then you're going to just use the back of your hand to remove the excess product. You see? So you want to contour your nose. I'm just using my concealer as my concealer base. So we're going to tap that in. With my eye pencil, I'm going to use it to eyeliner my lips. I don't have a lip liner. Maximize what you have. I'll just be using my lip gloss, and that will be all about it.